Hi children, welcome to Narana Live Class. So today in this video, we are going to see an assignment on tracing changes through 1,000 years. So total 11 questions are there in this assignment. Now let us find the answers. So the first question is, what are the two main sects of Islam? The answer is Shia and Sunni. The first question answer is Shia and Sunni. Now let's take second question, children. Who was Al-Idrisi? The answer is Al-Idrisi is a Arab geographer who made maps in 1154 CE. CE means Common Era. Okay. So second question answer is a Arab geographer. So what he did? He made maps in 1154 CE. CE means Common Era. Okay, children. Let's take third question. What do you mean by archives? Archive means the place where manuscripts were collected. Okay. So the third question answer is the place where manuscripts were collected. Now let's take fourth question, children. What are the factors contributed to the varieties of development? The answer is new technology and innovations. So came to the subcontinent with the people and they started settlement there. Okay. So the answer is fourth question answer is new technology and innovations. That means what? New innovations. Okay. So with the new technology and innovations, they came to subcontinents. Then they started settlement there. So this is the way how the development started. Okay. Let's take few more questions, children. Now fifth question. Who were the patrons? The answer is a group of rulers and rich class people who were protection and livelihood to the Brahmins, artists and poets. So fifth question answer is a group of rulers and rich class of people. Rich class of people who will protect the protection and livelihood to whom? Brahmins, artists and poets. Okay, so a group of rulers and rich class of people who will protection and livelihood to Brahmins, artists and poets. Now let's take sixth question, children. Who used the term Hindustan for the first time and when? The answer is Minhaj Siraj. He used the first term, that means first time, the term Hindustan. When, children? In 13th century. Okay. So sixth question answer is Minhaj Siraj. When? In 13th century. Let's take seventh question, children. What does the term pan-regional empire means? The answer is empire spanning diverse regions like Chola kings and Khaljis, Tughlaqs and Mughals. Okay. So 7th question answer is empire spanning diverse regions. Diverse regions. Examples: Chola, Khaljis, Mughals, etc. Okay, children. Now let's take few more questions. Now, 8th question, children. What was the extent of Delhi Sultan's Ghiyasuddin Balbas empire? The answer is from Bengal to Ghazni, which is in Afghanistan, including South India also. Okay, so the 8th question answer is from Bengal to Ghazni, which is in Afghanistan. Right here. So where is Ghazni? In Afghanistan. So including what? Including South India also. Okay. Now let's take 9th question, children. Why are coins and inscriptions important for the study of medieval period? The answer is coins tells us periods of kings and gives us important dates of political events, whereas inscription, children, these are the source of historical records. Okay, now let us see the answer. Coins, so it tells us what? Periods of kings, and dates of political events. And whereas inscriptions they are source of historical records. Okay, children. Let's take few more questions. Yeah. Now 10th question, children. So 10th question is repeated question. So which is a 4th question. Like, what are the factors contributed to the varieties of development? That is what new technology innovations came to subcontinents, and with that they started settlement there. Okay, same question. Now let's take 11th question, last question, children. What sources do the historians use for the study of particular periods of history? The answer is coins, inscriptions, architectures, and textual records. So the 11th question answer is coins, inscriptions, then textual records, okay, and still what? Architectures also, and architectures. Okay, so these are 11 question answers, children. I hope you are clear with these answers. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Now signing off.